Welcome to our official YouTube channel of Hasmukh Goswami College of Engineering. I am Professor Jay Bhatt from Mathematics Department. Today we will discuss the determinant of a matrix and the definition of singular matrix and definition of invertible matrix. Okay. So first, how to find out the determinant of any matrix. So first of all, determinant का notation है, it is modulus A. Okay, so it is not a modulus, but it is the notation of a determinant. So it is denoted by mod A. Okay, or determinant A. Its second notation. So if 2 cross 2 matrix is given, for example, in general 2 cross 2 matrix A is equal to A11, A12, A21 and A22. This matrix is given. Then we have to find out its determinant. So notation is mod A and मैट्रिक्स को ब्रैकेट के फॉर्म में लिखना है और डिटरमिनेंट को वर्टिकल लाइन के बीच में आपको लिखना है. ओके, सो दिस इज द डिटरमिनेंट. सो हाउ टू फाइंड आउट? इट इज द क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन. A11 मल्टीप्लाई बाय A22. ओके, देन माइनस A12 मल्टीप्लाई बाय A21. ओके, सो दैट इज योर आंसर ऑफ डिटरमिनेंट ऑफ 2 cross 2 matrix. Similarly, if 3 cross 3 matrix is given, then how to find out its determinant? For example, this 3 cross 3 matrix is given in general, so we have to find out its determinant. So determinant of A, it is the A11. So first entry, it is A11. Okay, now removing first row and first column. Okay, first row and first column को आपको remove करना है. Then remaining entries A22, A23, A32 and A33. So you have to find out its determinant. Okay, then you have to write down. Here this first entry is positive, then second entry is negative, then third entry is positive. So you have to check alternate sign. Okay, so minus A12. Now removing first row and second column. Okay, so we get A21, A23, A31 and A33. So write down here and find out determinant of 2 cross 2 matrix. Okay, similarly plus A13. Okay, now removing first row, okay, and third column. So entries A21, A22, A31 and A32 write down here and find out its determinant. Okay, so if you have to calculate this one, then we get determinant of 3 cross 3 matrix. Okay, now the two definitions are singular matrix. First definition. Second definition is non-singular matrix. Singular matrix का meaning होता है if determinant of any matrix is 0. Okay, square matrix is given and you have to find out its determinant, and if determinant equal to 0, then that matrix is called singular matrix. And if determinant is not equal to 0, then this matrix is called non-singular matrix. Its second name is invertible matrix. That means if determinant is not equal to 0, you can find out its inverse. Okay, otherwise we cannot find out its inverse. If determinant is 0, we cannot find out its inverse. Okay, if determinant is not equal to 0, then we can find out the inverse. So that's why it is called invertible matrix. For example, how to find out inverse? How to find out determinant? For example, 2 cross 2 matrix, 1, 2, 3, 4 is given. It is 2 cross 2 matrix. Okay, now determinant of A, it is 1, 2, 3 and 4. So it is the by definition. Okay, A11 multiplied by A22, that means 4 multiplied by 1, it is 4 minus A12 multiplied by A21. So it is 2 multiplied by 3, that means 6. So it is equal to minus 2 and which is not equal to 0. Okay, so determinant की वैल्यू यहाँ पे क्या है? It is a minus 2. Okay, and it is not equal to 0. So that means determinant of A is not equal to 0. That means this condition is satisfied. So that means this matrix is called invertible matrix. Okay, so that means we can find out its inverse. Okay, now the next example, 3 cross 3 matrix is given. Okay, so 3 cross 3 matrix is given. Then how to find out its inverse? Its determinant. A is equal to 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0. These 3 cross 3 matrix is given. Okay, now we have to find out its determinant. So determinant of A, it is 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0. We have to find out its determinant. Okay, so there are 3 row, first row, second row and third row, and 3 column, first column, second column and third column. Okay, so आप 3 रो या 3 कॉलम में से कोई भी एक रो या एक कॉलम आपको लेनी है, ओके, जिसमें मैक्सिमम 0 हो, ओके। फॉर एग्जांपल इन फर्स्ट रो there will be only 1 0, in second row it is only 1, in third row it is only 1, in first column it is only 1 0, third in second column only 1 0, and in third column only 1 0. So either you can choose any row or any column, okay. So I will choose first row, okay. So first we have to write down 0, first entry. Now removing this row and this column, first row and first column, so remaining entry is 0 1 1 and 0, okay. Then it is positive, so here it is minus negative value, so it is removing first row and second column, so we get 1 1 1 and 0, okay. Then plus 1, positive entry, removing first row and third column, so we get 1 0 1 1, okay. Now 0 multiplied by any number is 0, so here it is 0, so it is 0 minus 1 as it is, so it is 1 into 0 is 0, minus 1 into 1 is 1, plus 1 as it is, 1 into 1 1, and minus 1 into 0 is 0. So 0 multiplied by minus 1 is 0, so this entry is 0. Now minus 1 multiplied by minus 1, so it is plus 1. Now plus 1 multiplied by 1, it is plus 1, so it is 2. So determinant of this 3 cross 3 matrix is 2, and which is not equal to 0. So that means this matrix is called invertible matrix. It is also called non-singular matrix. So this is the example of non-singular matrix. Okay. Now how to find out determinant of 4 cross 4 matrix? Suppose one example, 5 0 0 2, 4 cross 4 matrix is given. That means either 4 rows and 4 column, 1 1 0 2, then 0 0 2 1, and 1 0 0 1. This 4 cross 4 matrix is given. How to find out its determinant? So determinant of A is 5 0 0 2, 1 1 0 2, 0 0 2 1, 1 0 0 1. Okay. Now we have to find out determinant of 4 cross 4 matrix. Okay. Same procedure. You have to choose any row or any column which has maximum 0. Okay. For example, in first row there will be 2 0. Okay. And in the second column there will be 3 0. So we have to choose this one, okay. So first entry is positive, then minus, or negative, then positive, then negative, okay. प्लस के जितने भी पास में जितने भी वैल्यू है उसका साइन चेंज हो जाएगा. अगर ये पॉजिटिव है तो ये भी नेगेटिव होगा, ये भी नेगेटिव होगा. अगर ये नेगेटिव है तो ये पॉजिटिव होगा, ये पॉजिटिव होगा, ये भी पॉजिटिव होगा, ओके. सो प्लस first entry is plus entry, then minus it will be plus entry, okay. So first we have to write down 1, because 0 multiplied by any number is 0, okay. So we have to return 1, positive, negative and positive, so we have to write down plus 1, okay. Now removing this column and this row, so remaining entries are 0 2, then 0 2 1, 1 0 1, okay. Now this entry is 0, this entry is 0, and this entry is 0, so we get only this entry, okay. Now we have to find out 1 multiplied by any number is that number only, okay. Now we have to find out determinant of 3 cross 3 matrix. Again same procedure, either you have to choose any row or any column which has maximum 0, so we can choose second column which has 2 0, okay. So first entry is positive, second entry is negative, okay. So it will be positive, so plus 2. Removing this column and this row, so we get 5 2 1 and 1, so 2 multiplied by, now determinant of 2 cross 2 matrix, so it is 5 multiplied by 1, it is 5, minus 2 multiplied by 1 is 2, so it is 2 multiplied by 5 minus 2 is 3, so it is 6, which is not equal to 0. That means determinant of 4 cross 4 matrix is 6, which is not equal to 0, so that means this matrix is called invertible matrix. that means we can find out its inverse of matrix. Okay, so now we have to discuss inverse of a matrix. How to find out inverse of any square matrix. So for this, first, minor of an element. How to find out minor of an element? Suppose 3 cross 3 matrix is given. A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32 and A33. These 3 cross 3 matrix is given. Okay. Now we have to find out the minor of an element. Its notation is Mij. That is M for minor. Okay. An element. So it is the first element A11. So first we have to find out minor of A11. That means first element का minor क्या होगा? Find करते हैं. इसका notation होगा M11. First row and first column. तो आपको क्या करना है? फर्स्ट रो और फर्स्ट कॉलम को रिमूव कर देना है. रिमूव फर्स्ट रो एंड फर्स्ट कॉलम. सो रिमेनिंग एंट्री उसका आपको डिटरमिनेंट फाइंड करना है. A22, A23, A32 एंड A33. तो डिटरमिनेंट की प्रोसीजर सेम, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन आपको करना है. सिमिलरली इफ यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट माइनर ऑफ A12, दैट मींस द सेकंड एलिमेंट, फर्स्ट रो एंड सेकंड कॉलम. सो इट्स नोटेशन इज M12. ओके, सो उसके लिए आपको क्या करना है? फर्स्ट रो और सेकंड कॉलम को रिमूव करना है. दिस इज द फर्स्ट रो एंड दिस इज द सेकंड कॉलम. सो रिमूविंग फर्स्ट रो एंड सेकंड कॉलम. सो रिमेनिंग एंट्रीज आर A21, A23, A31 and A33. And we have to find out its determinant by previous method. Similarly, if you have to find out minor of A32, okay, that means A32 element, this element, इसका minor अगर आपको find करना है, its notation is also M32. Okay, now third row और second column को आपको remove करना है. This is the third row and this is the second column. So after removing, we get A11, A13, A21 and A23. So we have to find out its determinant. Okay, so we get value of M11, M12, M32, okay, M13, M21, M22, M23 and so on. Okay, so you have to write down in the matrix form M11, M12, M13, M21, M22, M23, M31, M32 and M33. It is also 3 cross 3 matrix. So this matrix is called Mij matrix. That is called minor matrix. This is the notation. Okay. So how to find out minor matrix? Suppose a 3 cross 3 matrix is given. So all its elements has a minor. Okay. So by using this method, we have to find out M11, M12, M13 up to M33. So this is the minor matrix. Now how to find out the cofactor? Same procedure. Cofactor of an element. Its notation is Cij, C for cofactor. Okay, so for example, this is the formula Cij. It is equal to minus 1 raised to I plus j into Mij. It is for all I and j. That is the formula to find out the cofactor of any element. For example, we have to find out C11. That means first row and first column element. उसका cofactor अगर आपको find करना है, तो आपको क्या करना है? I की जगह पे 1 और j की जगह पे 1. So we get minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1 and it is M11. I is equal to 1 and j is equal to 1. So what is the M11? So M11 is equal to this determinant. So by using this M11, substitute value here. So minus 1 raised to 2. Minus 1 raised to 2 is positive value. So here we get M11 only. And write down its value. Okay. Similarly, you have to find out C12. Okay. First row and second column element, उसका cofactor अगर find करना है, so I की जगह पे यहाँ पे 1 है, j की जगह पे 2 है. So in the formula substitute value 1 plus 2 and it is M12. Okay. So what is minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2 is 3 and it is M12. So what is the value of minus 1 raised to 3? So it is minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. Okay, so we get minus M12. Okay, so that is the value of C12. Similarly, if you have to find out C32, how to find out value of C32? Okay, so फॉर्मूला में I की जगह पे 3, J की जगह पे 2 रखना है. So it is minus 1 raised to 3 plus 2 and it is M32. So minus 1 raised to 3 plus 2 is 5 and it is M32. So minus 1 raised to 5 is negative value. So it is minus of M32. और M32 आप यहाँ से आप फाइंड कर सकते हो. ओके, सो सारी वैल्यू आप फाइंड कर सकते हो. M11, M12, M13 अप टू M33 की वैल्यू अगर आपको मालूम है, so you can find out C11, C12, C13 up to C33. Okay, so that matrix is called cofactor matrix. Cofactor matrix. Its notation is Cij. Okay, so Cij is equal to C11, C12, C13, C21, C22, C23, C31, C32 and C33. It is 3 cross 3 matrix. So that is called the cofactor matrix and it is called the minor of a matrix. अगर किसी भी स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स का अगर आपको इनवर्स फाइंड करना है तो सबसे पहले आपको माइनर्स फाइंड करना है. दैट इज कॉल्ड माइनर मैट्रिक्स. ओके, और माइनर मैट्रिक्स के बाद आपको फाइंड करना है कोफैक्टर मैट्रिक्स. कोफैक्टर मैट्रिक्स के बाद आप फाइंड करेंगे एडजॉइंट ऑफ ए. हाउ टू फाइंड आउट एडजॉइंट ऑफ ए? नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज एडजॉइंट of a matrix. Its notation is adjoint of A. That is the notation. Okay, so adjoint of A अगर आपको फाइंड करना है तो कोफैक्टर मैट्रिक्स को हमने फाइंड कर दी. तो जो भी कोफैक्टर मैट्रिक्स आ रही है उसका आपको क्या करना है? ट्रांसपोज करना है. That means interchanging row and column. So that means this is the cofactor matrix. So it is C11, C12, C13, C21, C22 and C23, C31, C32 and C33. Okay, so that is called the adjoint of A. Okay, so after finding adjoint of A, we find out finally A inverse. That is called inverse of a matrix. Inverse of a matrix. Its notation is A inverse. Okay, so its formula is A inverse. It is equal to 1 divided by determinant of A and multiply by adjoint of A. But condition is determinant of A is not equal to 0. If determinant is 0, so we cannot find out its inverse. Okay, so if determinant is not equal to 0, so in this case we have to find out its inverse. So for this, first of all you have to find out determinant. So you have to write down here and adjoint of A के लिए आपको सबसे पहले क्या find करना है? Minor of matrix. Then find out the cofactor matrix. Then find out the adjoint of A and substitute value here. Then we get A inverse. Okay. Now its example. Okay. So first we have to take 2 cross 2 matrix. Simple example, 2 cross 2 matrix. How to find out inverse of 2 cross 2 matrix? One example. Find A inverse if A is equal to 1, 2, 3 and 4. Simple example. First we have to find out determinant of a matrix. So what is the determinant of that matrix? So it is 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is 4 minus 6, so which is equal to minus 2 and which is not equal to 0. Therefore, A is invertible matrix. That means we can find out its inverse. So that's why it is called invertible matrix. So invertible matrix find करने के लिए सबसे पहले find करेंगे minor matrix. How to find out minor matrix? It is called Mij. It is minor matrix. It is also 2 cross 2 matrix. So here it is M11, M12, M21 and M22. Okay, so how to find out M11? Okay, M11 के लिए आपको क्या करना है? जो भी मैट्रिक्स दे रखी है उसके अंदर फर्स्ट रो और फर्स्ट कॉलम को रिमूव करना है और इसका डिटरमिनेंट. So it is only 4. Okay, so you have to write down only 4. Then M12. So removing first row and second column. So we get 3. So you have to write down 3 here. M21 removing second row and first column. So we get 2. So write down here 2. M22 removing second row and second column, so here we get 1. So that matrix is called minor matrix. Okay. Similarly, what is the cofactor matrix? Cij. Cofactor matrix notation C11, C12, C21 and C22. Okay. So what is the value of C11? We know that the formula is Cij is equal to minus 1 raised to I plus j into Mij. So if you have to find out C11, so C11 equal to minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So minus 1 square is positive. So we get C11 equal to M11 only. Okay, so M11 is equal to 4. So C11 is also 4. Similarly, what is C12? C12 it is equal to minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2. That means 3. So it is minus 1 raised to 3 is minus and it is M12. But value of M12 is 3. So C12 is minus 3. So write down minus 3 here. Similarly, we have to find out C21. C21 it is also minus 1 raised to 2 plus 1. Okay, and it is M21, but minus 1 raised to 2 plus 1 is minus M21. But value of M21 is 2, so it is equal to minus 2. And similarly, C22, it is minus 1 raised to 2 plus 2, that is positive value. Okay, and it is M22, but M22 is 1, so here it is 1. So that matrix is called cofactor matrix. Okay, so in the next step, we have to find out the adjoint of A. So adjoint of A, it is equal to जो भी कोफैक्टर मैट्रिक्स मिली उसका आपको क्या करना है, ट्रांसपोज करना है. दैट मींस इंटरचेंजिंग रो एंड कॉलम. सो हियर वी गेट 4 minus 3 minus 2 and 1. Okay, so it is 2 cross 2 matrix. So this is the value of adjoint of A. And finally we have to write down its inverse. So inverse के लिए आपको फॉर्मूला यूज करना है. A inverse is equal to 1 divided by determinant of A into adjoint of A. But determinant of A is minus 2, so it is 1 divided by minus 2, and adjoint of A is 4 minus 2 minus 3 and 1. Okay, so we have to divide. So 4 divided by minus 2, it is minus 2. Minus 2 divided by minus 2, 1. Minus 3 divided by minus 2, it is 3 by 2, and minus 1 divided by minus 2, so it is minus 1 by 2. So this is called the inverse of that matrix A. Okay. Next time we have to discuss the inverse of 3 cross 3 matrix, inverse of 4 cross 4 matrix. If you like this video, please like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, Hasmukh Goswami College of Engineering.